This is a pin tumbler lock commonly used on doors. It has 2 rows of pins, key pins on the bottom and driver pins on top. The part of a lock you stick a key in is called the plug, and indicated here is the shear line or the top of the plug. In order for it to turn and the lock to open, all of the driver pins must be raised to exactly the right height so that they clear the shear line. Pins come in different sizes, but the bitting, or the way your key is cut, is what ensures they get set to the correct height. Not only do pins come in different sizes, but in higher security locks, they come in different shapes as well. This is a standard driver pin. This is a serrated pin, which can be identified by the series of cutouts at the bottom. Spool pins have the entire middle section cut out. And there are many other variations like this hybrid serrated spool. For educational purposes, I'm going to remove the last 3 pin stacks to demonstrate how these security pins work. When picking a lock, a standard pin will have a nice solid click and a little bit of movement when it is set. 2 is loose, so I'm moving over to 3 because it's the next one that is binding. Because it is a